Okay. Okay, teacher nak tanya. Okay, I want to ask you. Have you seen aeroplane?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Aeroplane ada lampu.
Oh, they have a light.
Atas sekali.
Dekat atas, so on the sky. Dekat mana aeroplane? On the
sky.
On the sky. Okay, sit properly sayang. Sit properly. Okay, so aeroplane on the sky. Okay, is this aeroplane?
Yes.
Okay, yes, aeroplane. Okay, look at this aeroplane. What's color?
Yellow.
Blue. Lagi blue.
Red.
And also
Hijau.
hijau, green. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Next one. Have you seen
Bus.
boat?
Boat.
Mana tengok boat?
Pernah. Siapa nak pergi? Siapa nak naik? Aman nak pernah. Aman naik pun.
Naik boat?
Siapa naik? Naik boat kat si. Aman nak kau?
Kat ship.
Aman saya. Tapi jangan kalau saya naik dekat pasar tak sampai.
Oh, naik kat pasar.
Anak saya naik car.
Oh, naik car. Okay. So, everyone look at here. This is
Boat.
okay. Next one. Amanda, look at here.
Bus.
Okay. Bila awak nampak bus? When you see the bus? Is it on the sky? Is it on the water? Is it on the road?
Yes.
Okay. Siapa yang pergi sekolah hari ni nampak bus?
Saya nampak.
Oh, nampak bus.
Bus
Bus cantik. Okay. So, okay. Before we play, hari ni kita nak play tau. So before we play, we have to sing a song. Boleh? Song dia is all about the wisher. Okay? Boleh? Okay, so DJ nyanyi, awak ikut nyanyi sama-sama boleh? Okay, so everyone, I need you to stand up. Berdiri sayang. Let's sing a song, let's sing a song, it's all about the wisher. Let's sing a song, it's all about the wisher. The school bus, spinning, 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 spinning. The school bus, spinning, 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 spinning. The school bus, an aeroplane, spray your arm, become so white, 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 white. An aeroplane, spray your arm, become so white, 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 white. The big boat, row, 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 row. The big boat, row, big boat, the big boat, row, 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 row. Big boat is all has and is all has said is all about the vision. Okay, so lagu tadi. So, okay, so have everyone remember? Amanda, do you remember when I say bus, school bus? School bus kita buat macam mana tadi? School bus we have to spinning our arm. School bus buat macam mana, Ama? Okay, so robot, boat kita buat macam mana? Boat kita row dia. Kita dayung. Ama tak row,
Dia gerak sendiri.
dia gerak sendiri.
Saya pun sama.
Apa? Teacher punya boat pakai row. Okay, kalau bus dah aeroplane kita buat macam mana tadi? Bunga kita buat macam mana? Aeroplane. Aeroplane kita buat macam ni. Okay, everyone buat macam ni. Aeroplane. Cepat. Rizky. Aeroplane buat macam ni. If you could see here, aeroplane. Aeroplane dekat mana? Aeroplane atas kat mana? Ke sini ke? Sini ke sini?
Situ.
Sini.
Ya.
This is on the sky. Sebab dia magic. Nanti kita buat magic sama-sama. Okay. How about the school bus? School bus dekat mana?
Bawah.
Bawah? Dekat bawah sini ke?
Sini.
Ke sini? Jalan raya. Okay, ni bus. Ni aeroplane. Okay. How about boat?
Mana polis? Dia keluar.
Polis tulis kat bawah bus. Polis tak ada. Okay, is it on here? No. Is it on the road? Okay. So, okay, everyone. Cantik tak? Tampar-tampar kat sini. Okay. So, teacher pun nak bagi awak tampar-tampar kat sini, nak tak? So, you all can stand it over here. Before I give it to you, sebelum teacher bagi dekat awak, kita main. Kita main tutup mata dulu. Tutup mata. Tutup mata, tanda tangan macam ni. Boleh? Tutup mata, tanda tangan. Rizky pun sama, tutup mata, tanda tangan. Open your eyes. Okay. So, teacher nak, I want you all to open the paper. Open the paper. Wow. Okay, everyone silent. Everyone silent. Okay, everyone put your hand. Put your hand. Okay. One little finger, everyone. One little finger. Put it on your mouth. Okay. Amanda. So, everyone. Okay, siapa dapat boat sampai dengan teacher angkat tangan? Who got boat? Okay, you. Okay. Who got? Amanda pun dapat boat. Okay, so you get the boat. Okay, you also got the boat. Okay, so siapa yang dapat school bus? School bus. Okay, school bus. Okay, school bus for you. School bus for you. Okay, teacher ada lupa something ke? Okay. Mari sini boat. Kertas yang ni. Okay, give it to teacher. Okay, boat dah teacher dah bagi. Okay, bus teacher dah bagi. So, satu lagi apa? What one more? Helikopter ke teacher cakap tadi? Kalau selain daripada helikopter pula dah. Helikopter? Aeroplane lah. Aeroplane. Okay, siapa yang dapat aeroplane? Siapa yang dapat? Dapat. Okay, siapa yang dapat aeroplane tu nama apa dapat aeroplane? Rizky dengan Akila. Okay, this one for Akila. This one for Rizky. Teacher pun nak warna juga. Okay, teacher nak warna aeroplane. Okay, so everyone, you got the paper, right? You got the paper. So, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now teacher akan bagi pensel warna. Okay, so it doesn't mean you have to follow the color on the paper that in front. Okay, so you can color any color that you want. Are you listen, Yusuf and Amma? Are you listen? What I have told you? Okay, Untuk yang teacher punya. Yang awak punya awak boleh warna ikut warna awak suka. Okey?
Okey.
One, Yusuf has done. Okay. So,
Dekat tak bersih tak pergi.
huh?
Dekat tak bersih tak.
Tak apa. Okay. So, I need you to follow the dot line. Okay?
Dot line?
You have to do like this. Follow the dot line. If not in the dot line pun tak apa.
Hijau, saya hijau.
Wow, good job Yusuf. Okay, so Yusuf, you got a stick. Okay, everyone. Everyone cantik tak Yusuf warna?
Cantik. Mana wanita pun.
Okay.
Dari mana? Dah. Malah aku.
No, it's not yet. Ada lagi.
Oh, macam bersih lah. Cuma tengok macam bersih. Macam bersih.
Is it on the floor?
Tapi tadi tu Amanda bercerita dengan Aina.
Sekarang ni dah tak cerita kan? Okay, diam dia. Diam. Okay, so everyone, Yusuf colour apa ni? Yusuf colour apa ni? Colour apa? Colour boat. Boat on the sky, on the road, on the water.
Water.
Is it here?
Yes.
Kalau teacher letak kat sini betul ke salah?
Salah. Susah nak jalan.
Susah nak jalan. So dia kena headed lah. Okay. Okay, so
Ada gambar dulu.
yang Kila punya Kila punya kan? Okay. So
Ini saya punya gambar. Awak ada speaker.
okay. So Kila punya is?
Saya punya.
Kila punya is?
Bas.
Bas kan ni? Bas ada bas. Apa ni?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Kita tak dengar. Kita dengar a few % je yang cakap aeroplane. Okay, Yusuf macam mana ni? Is it bas ke aeroplane? Aeroplane. Okay, sila properly. Sila properly. Okay, is it aeroplane? Kalau ini adalah aeroplane, cakap apa? Aeroplane. Cakap apa ni? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, bunga tak sebut. Bunga yang kalah. Bunga tak sebut apa ni? Apa ni?
Rizky nak ambil abang punya stiker.
Rizky tak macam orang. Ini ya.
Saya stiker.
Tak apa, nanti cuba. Okay, is it on the sky? Is it on the water? Is it on the road?
Atas.
Atas tu on the?
Yes.
On the? On the sky? On the?
Sky.
Saya punya. Sila properly. Awak letak kaki kat atas. Bunga dulu. Bunga bagus. Bunga diam. Okay, so what we show that bunga colour? Is it boat? Is it school bus? Is it aeroplane? School bus. Is it on the water? On the sky? On the road? On the road. Okay. So next, yang Aina punya. Rizky sama. Rizky kena banyak bersama buat dapat rezeki. Okay? Okay, so Aina, same goes to bunga. Bus colour. Cuba tengok bus colour Aina punya. Yellow. Tak sama lah. Okay, kita letak sebelah bunga punya. Wah, tak sama. Mana sama? Tengok ni. Yang ni yellow tengah. Yang ni yellow cerah. Yang ni warna merah kat sini. Yang ni warna hijau in English, green. Bus colour? Green. Okay.
Saya pun bagus tiger.
Okay, yang Rizky punya. Rizky punya apa ni?
Airplane.
Airplane. Okay.
Ada 3 airplane.
Ada 3 airplane. Okay, aeroplane ada 3.
Tak stiker.
Tak apa. Stiker dia cabut tadi. Teacher nak letak cabut juga lah. Okay, so aeroplane is it on the sky, on the top of water?
Sky.
Okay.
Yang
Okay. Amanda. Okay, last one is Amanda punya. Okay. What did you can see?
Boat.
What color of the birds?
Green.
Green. Okay, lagi. Mana lagi?
Yellow.
Eh? Okay. Red. Okay. So boat is on the top of what? On the top of water. Kalau letak dekat sky, nanti dia dah dayung, jatuh.
Mati lah.
Abang mati. Mati tu nampak lagi lah. Sabar dulu. Nanti lah sikit kalau jatuh kau mati. Okay. So, okay. Right now, kita main teka-teki. Okay. What the whistle is on the top of water? Kenderaan apa yang ada di atas permukaan air? Kenderaan apa ni?
Boat.
Boat. Okay. Boat dekat sini ada berapa? How many boat?
Ada 3.
Ada 3. Okay. So, what the whistle on the sky? Apa kenderaan di atas udara?
3.
Apa kenderaan di atas udara? Apa dia?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. How many aeroplane did you can see?
3.
3 in English?
3.
3. Okay. So, on the on top of the road, what division that we have here? What division?
Bus.
School bus. Okay, how many school bus?
5.
5. Mama, how many school bus?
5.
How many school bus?
5.
5. Is it 5 or 4? 4. Okay, good job. Clap your hands. Bunga bunga yang mana? Okay, bunga bunga yang mana? Okay, good job.